little coders out there, and welcome to lesson 2, where we will be taking a look at variables. I'll be showing you how variables bring a bit of magic to programming. Let's start by looking at how a variable called x can be used in calculations. In this calculation, what is the number stored by x? That's right, x stores the number 4. X can change to store another number. If it stores the number 9, then y will store the number, that's right, number 10. The number that x stores is called a variable. Variables are used in computer programs to store a piece of information. For example, if you create a computer program that asks a person's name, a variable can be used to store the person's name. A variable is like a box that could only store one piece of information at a time. Let's make a variable in Scratch that can be used to store a name. First of all, click on Variables and select Make a Variable. Let's call your variable Name. Now, add a green flag block to the coding window, followed by a Say block. Let the Say block say, "Hi there, I'm Scratch the cat." Now let's grab an Ask block from the Sensing block area. Go back to the variable blocks and set name to the answer. Now, whatever the person inputs, this will be stored by the variable name. Let's add 3 more Say blocks. The first one says hello. The second block will say the person's name, because what we're going to do is we're going to put the name block into it. The last block will say welcome to coding. Now press the green flag to run the program. The variable name can store any name, but only one name at a time. Try running the program again with different names. Now it's your turn to code. I want you to create a new program that stores a person's name and the name of their favorite animal. You're going to need 2 variables. Scratch the cat asks the person what their name is and then asks them their favorite animal. Scratch the cat then says hi and says the person's name. The program then says, "Is your favorite animal really A?" And then they say the name of the animal. Then Scratch says, "That's my favorite animal too." Now let's freeze the screen so that you can see what you have to do. Did your program look something like this? Well done, coders. Now coders, how about making your very own calculator? This time we're going to need 2 more variables, x and y. Let's start by making the variables. Click on Variables and choose Make a Variable. Call your first variable x and then click OK. Click on Variables again and choose Make a Variable and call your second variable y and then click OK. Now it's time to make our calculator program. Start by adding the green flag block to the coding window. Now add 2 Say blocks and type in the text, "Let's do some calculations." In the second block, type in enter 2 numbers and I'll add them together. Now grab an Ask block from the Sensing code blocks and type in "What's your first number?" Now go back to the Variables block and set the variable x to answer. Let's now grab an Ask block and type in "What's your second number?" Go back to the variable blocks and set the variable y to answer. Finally, add 2 more Say blocks and type "If you add them together, they make," in the first Say block. In the second Say block, add the green add operator, and from the variables block, add x and y. Now it's time to see whether your calculator program works. Select the green flag and enter a number. I'm going to enter the number 674, and then you'll be asked for a second number. This time I'm going to enter 319. Scratch the cat will then give you the answer. Yes, that's right, 993. Why not try a few calculations? Now it's your turn to code. I want you to create a new program that multiplies two numbers together. Yes, multiplies them together. Scratch the cat asks the person to enter their first and second number and then tells the person the answer. Now, let's freeze the screen so that you can see what you have to do. Did your program look something like this? Well done, coders. Thanks for watching my coding lesson. And if you did enjoy this video, if you give me a thumbs up, that would be fantastico. And why not subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed already? It's a great big arrivederci from Professor Cody. Until next time.